Good morning, my gators. So I'm getting ready to share with you my pour over. I did do this video, but guess what? I don't know. I think I put it on my hard drive, so we're just gonna do it all over again. This is called a coffee pour over, and the reason I'm putting it in here first because I'm doing 2 cups. So I'm gonna do 2 nice scoops of coffee. And I found out that the blooming is what helps you not use as much coffee, because when you let it bloom, the coffee pours through the right way and gives you a strong, robust cup of coffee. So I'm going to see it, put it in my little thing. See how fine that is? And the coffee, this smells so good. The coffee that I'm using is a coffee that I got from a local place nearby. It was this, and it was only $3.24 for this. And when I seen this in the store, it was like double the price. So, and it's actually really good. It's actually really good. So, what you do is you put your coffee in first, and since this is ready, my kettle was screaming. You want to take and just drizzle some water on the grounds and let it sit for like a minute or two. Just enough to get all the ground saturated. And leave it. Leave it. That's where I messed up. Because once those coffee grounds open up, that's what allows it to pull through slowly and actually brew. The first time I did it, it was just going straight through. It was just going. I said, wait a minute. Oh, I forgot that part. I forgot the step where I'm supposed to let it bloom. And when you let it bloom, this is what it does. It kind of like bubbles up and does all this funky stuff. And it's doing its thing, and it's opening up, letting the coffee be fragrant and all that good stuff. So this is a pour over. I'm trying to get away from using plastics and using things that can leach chemicals and stuff like that. With food, that's something that's going to be difficult getting away from, because a lot of food we eat is bad. But if I can start with the utensils that I definitely use on a daily basis, that's what I'm going to do. So now that this has sat for, about a good minute and I've been talking, I'm going to start slowly pouring coffee in. And as you see, it's dripping just like it would a coffee machine. If I didn't let it bloom, guys, this coffee would just be pouring. I mean, water would be pouring straight through, and the coffee would not even brew. Like, it's taking its time and it's dripping, and I like it. I don't know, it's something so nostalgic about this, and it just makes me feel so amazing doing this. But yeah, it is actually brewing through this actual stainless steel strainer. Let me pull it back so you can really see. And it's slowly dripping into there, which is going to create some good coffee. And you take your time, pour it in, let it do its thing, and it's going to come out. It's going to come out at the bottom. And that's how you do a pour over. Some people have the fancier tea kettles. Those were expensive. I was like, I just want a regular tea kettle. I'll just pour it slow. And you can see it's filling up. It's literally filling up. And I don't drink a whole bunch of coffee. Even with this here, I might have it like down here because it's a very big cup. So I don't drink a whole bunch when I do my coffee. So I wanted to get this probably about halfway or more, maybe about like right here. That'll be enough for the 2 cups that I need. And that's all I do. That's all I do. And it slowly comes through. No sediments get in there or anything. And it tastes so freaking good. Oh, it tastes so good. If y'all only knew. It tastes so good. Yep. This is how I brew my coffee. And I love it. It just feels so old school. I love old school stuff. I love nostalgic things. I just love seeing people in the kitchen creating tasty things, and just, I don't know, the kitchen is just my thing. I just love having things that spark some type of joy or happiness with me when it comes to cooking or preparing a recipe, creating a recipe, or making a meal. It does something for me. So yeah, See, and nothing is coming through. Like, this is so, I love it. Now, this is a 2 to 4 cup one. I guess you would fill it up with more coffee. I like my coffee pretty medium. I'm not a real strong coffee drinker. I need to taste the coffee, but I don't need it really, really strong. Like, I've never been a black coffee drinker. Never, but not saying that I won't in the future, because, you know, as we get more wise and mature, our taste buds change and we want certain things that we didn't like when we were younger. Like, now I'm in love with mushrooms, peppers, and onions. When I was little, don't put it on my plate. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's my coffee, and let's make a cup. Now, once I do this, this is the extra step that I like to take. You don't have to make sure it's pretty nice and strong enough for what I want. I'll take this and then I'll pour it over into my cup like that and get any of the extra coffee flavor or taste that's still sitting inside of the filter. Commercials just, oh, taking over YouTube. I have to use my hot glove. There we go. That should be enough for me. Perfect. Perfect. Look at that nice dark cup of coffee. Yeah. All right, so I have some raw organic sugar, and I usually take these 3 little small scoops of this, and then I add me some creamer. That's the creamer. That's it. I like my coffee to look caramely. Good morning, y'all. I'm still at my night clothes, but I needed this. So good. I love this. All right, Later Gators, if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button so you can join the family. All positivity, and y'all, don't judge me. My Bluetooth is upside down and my earring fell off. This coffee good though. Y'all see I got my tea towel. I just got done doing all that meat and stuff, so yeah, don't judge me. Yeah. At least my teeth, I did, you know, I brushed my teeth. I took my minerals and did all my things this morning. I'm just chilling. I'm about to get here and do some rearranging of my budget and look through some things and figure out a plan with this house and decluttering and unboxing the boxes I moved in. I love you guys, and I thank you for all your support. Without you guys, this wouldn't be something that I enjoy doing, because the comments and the, you know, responses from you guys make me so happy. For all of those of you that are new to my channel, thank you for the beautiful comments. Thank you for, hold on. It's like the music channels that are like 72 hours, 98 hours, 48 hours have just been playing so many ads now, and it's so sickening. But anyways, I wanted to share that pour over, and just, you know, I just didn't want to just be a strictly pour over. I wanted to come and say hi to you guys, but I am relaxing. I am in my zone. Look at that. Look at you. Look at me, y'all. Look at me. But I appreciate y'all. So much great things are to come. Just transitioning, seeing my transitions in my home, the way I do things differently, the way I implement different things to save me coins and save me money. Oops, excuse me, guys. All that good stuff. So with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators. I'm going to finish my coffee. I was gonna make some hold on. I wanted to make some mandazi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. That's how it sounds. It's pronounced. It's mainly in places like Kenya that I've seen it made, and it's like a tea cake. What it reminds me of is sort of like a fried dough / donut type of thing. And then they have another one that's from the Mediterranean that I really like, and I made it some years ago. I want to get back into making that type of stuff and having those type of things on hand just as snacks. They're easier, more cost efficient, economically, and all that good stuff. So I may make some mandazis, but they want more banana pudding. So now I went to go get me some more wafers and some other things that I need for the smoker, because we're making the hamburgers and stuff. But yeah, this was supposed to be a pour over video, but it ended up talking about other stuff. But anywho, those will taste so good with this coffee. But I didn't feel like making a bagel or anything right now, because I am going to be making baked macaroni and cheese and all that other stuff. So yeah, All right, y'all, let me get off here. I will see you guys in the next video. Later, gators.